All right, guys, today we're going to talk about why you shouldn't be counting calories. Counting calories is one of the dumbest things you can do, especially if you're trying to lose weight. I'm going to now debunk this theory in a few different ways. So pay attention. Number one, how many calories do you think you should be intaking a day? I can ask this question to 1,000 people and I'll probably get 1,000 different answers. The truth is, nobody knows how many calories they should be intaking. It's different for everybody, whether you're male, female, how old you are, how young you are, what kind of activities you do, what kind of job you do. The list goes on and on. So even if you could figure it out and the calorie angel came down from the heavens and told you how many calories you should do, how are you going to track that? Are you using a calorie counter? That's fine and all, but are you ever going out to eat? Are you going to go to a restaurant and ask the chef?
I need to know the exact amount of calories are on here.
God forbid you go on vacation or sneak a morsel of food in here and there. Truth is, calorie tracking or calorie counting could only be about 60, maybe 65% accurate. The other issue is we use calories for different times for different reasons throughout the day. Not all calories are created equal. 500 calories of pizza isn't the same as 500 calories of chicken and broccoli, let's say. You've all heard of empty calories or calories that have nutrients and value. And even if you could figure all that out, how long do you actually want to count calories for? A week? A month? Because you'd have to do it forever. I hope these tips help. Follow and like for more.